Hello everyone, this is Corine from Centrix Consulting Group, and in today's video we will cover the key concepts of the different workloads in Microsoft Fabric. As we can see here, our OneLake is based on a SaaS foundation, which is a software as a service foundation, and can support multiple workloads that you will go through today. If you are curious about OneLake, we have explained it in a previous video, so please check our links in the description. And this image was taken from Microsoft official documentation. And now let's dive in. Data Factory in Microsoft Fabric provides a cloud-scale data movement and data transformation services that allow you to solve the most complex data factory and ETL scenarios, which is extract, transform, and load. So we have high-level features. It's mainly composed of a data flow Gen 2, which is different from the Gen 1 that we see in Power BI. It can support 300 and more transformations, and they are AI-based transforms. And we can also have pipelines, which is for data orchestration and flexible workflows. So how can this be used? So let's say we have a healthcare organization that would like to process, store, manage, and govern structured and unstructured data in a single unified repository while preserving complete data fidelity. They can use the Data Factory for all of their ETL and the processing and governing through the Data Factory in Microsoft Fabric. And it can also load our data into a lakehouse or a warehouse, which is really different from the data flow Gen 1. Data engineering can enable you to design, build, maintain infrastructure and systems that allow you to collect, store, process, and analyze data, especially large volumes of data. So their capabilities is to create a lakehouse, manage it, and within that lakehouse you can design data pipelines. So let's put it in a context. We have a healthcare sector, right? So we know that data coming from healthcare comes from various sources. So you have the EHR, you have the picture archiving, we have claims systems, medical devices. So all of those can be ingested in a lakehouse through the data engineering workload and can be managed, and further on you can design a data pipeline to streamline your processes, to improve efficiencies and enable better decision making. If you want to empower your users to complete end-to-end data science workflows for the purpose of data enrichment and business insights, then data science workload in Microsoft Fabric is the one to be used. The capabilities that is provided, such as data discovery and pre-processing, problem formulation, can help a hospital predict who's the most likely to have a chronic respiratory disease related admission in, let's say, the next 3 months. Or you can demonstrate that patients who do not pick up their medication from the pharmacy are more likely to have expensive hospitalization. So really it's about the predictive power of this workload that can help you enrich and operationalize your processes. Data warehousing is not a new concept, but what makes it unique in Microsoft Fabric is that it provides you with a unified product that addresses every aspect of your data. How? By offering you a complete SaaS analytics and AI platform, which is also lake-centric and open. The capabilities of the data warehouse in Microsoft Fabric is an easy-to-use SaaS experience. You also have virtual warehouses for data from various sources where you can ingest, load, transform your data at scale, and you also have an SQL endpoint of the Lakehouse for your SQL queries. Now we'll move to Power BI, which is, as we all know, provides us with an industry-leading visualization and AI-driven analytics that enables both business analysts and business users to gain insights from data. The experience within Power BI is also deeply integrated into Microsoft 365, providing relevant insights where business users already work. The ecosystem is a desktop service mobile app where you can also create paginated reports and publish your reports on premises. You can share the insights within teams. You can connect to multiple data sources and visualize them. Real-time analytics in Microsoft Fabric is a fully managed big data analytics platform optimized for streaming and time series data. It utilizes a query language and engine with exceptional performance for searching structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. The capabilities provided by real-time analytics, such as scalable, high performance with low latency, can be used in healthcare in numerous ways. So you can monitor patient vitals in ICU, you can predict disease outbreaks based on real-time data, or optimizing hospital operations based on real-time patient flow data. So the possibilities are vast and can significantly improve patient care and operational efficiency. Now finally, we're going to cover Data Activator, which is a new release. It is a no-code experience within Microsoft Fabric that empowers the business analyst to drive actions automatically from the data. It can act on any type of data, from relatively slow-moving data in warehouses to real-time streaming data in Azure Events Hub. When we say event stream, we mean it is a feature that provides a centralized platform to capture, transform, and route real-time events to various destinations. So how does it work? It monitors the data either in Power BI reports or in event streams items. It then takes action, either alert the user or trigger a Power Automate workflow or any third-party system. You can also take actions such as email notification, Teams notification, or, as I said, a Power Automate or a third-party system, and then it will automatically detect any pattern or condition. So the capabilities of Data Activator, for example, is the self-service for BI. How does it enhance self-service BI? Because it enables business users to define business conditions with no code, which reduces the reliance on IT and developers. Let's take an example of how Data Activator can be applied in the healthcare industry. So let's say we have a logistics company that manages the delivery of sensitive items such as medicine. So we have our data set, we have the column for the medicine and then the temperature. So Data Activator is going to, so let's say we want to see whenever the medicine is too warm. So if the temperature is greater than 50, it's too warm. So the Data Activator is going to select the temperature column, and then it's going to detect if the temperature is higher or less than 50. And then it's going to send an email if the condition is true. So in this case, we are automatically reducing manual work and we are enhancing our processes. So that was it for today's video. If you like it, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And until then, see you next time.